into that, sir.
Yes, so di natin alam kung magkakasama ito o magkakaugnay kasi magpapatunay ito na hindi lamang sa Quezon City kung hindi meron din sa ibang lugar nangyayari yan. Thank you, General Lopez. I'd like to have
Thank you, sir.
the National Bureau of Investigation. We call upon the NBI to proceed with their presentation. Identify yourself, sir. The unit, the specific bureau, unit of the NBI you're representing.
Yes, Mr. Chair, good afternoon. Good afternoon to the Honorable Chairman and to the colleagues from the government. Attorney Van Homer Anglupen from the National Bureau of Investigation, Cybercrime Investigation. Together with me is Senior Agent Alvin Bernardo of the Special Task Force. We have also prepared a presentation. And for context, for the first quarter of this year, the NBI, together with the Armed Forces of the Philippines, have conducted at least 6 cases involving espionage activities, including what you have mentioned a while ago, Mr. Chair.
That one is the case of
alias Kifeng.
Alin ba yung Kifeng? Yung binanggit ko.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kasi pare-pareho na itong mga pangalan nito, nakakalito na. But just a reminder to our committee secretary, all the photographs presented by the National Bureau, by the Philippine National Police should be marked as Exhibit A-1 consecutively. And I'm referring to 3 photographs, the IMSI grabber, the photograph of the arrested Chinese alleged spy, as well as the photograph containing the equipment. So can you mark that consecutively as evidence for this committee? Please proceed, NBI.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, Mr. Chair, the following cases to be presented were operations brought about by the joint operation of the NBI and the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So as a background, the operations stem from intelligence.
Excuse me, hindi na ba pwedeng mapalaki itong mga pangalan? Ganyan na ba yung pinakamalaki niyan? Can you enlarge this? Go ahead, sir. Sa technical na to.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair. As a background, these operations stem from the intelligence packets of the Armed Forces Intelligence Unit. It was thoroughly verified by the NBI before conducting series of law enforcement interdictions. And we will be discussing the background of the case. However, Mr. Chair, we cannot dwell on the evidence gathered since there are already pending cases filed before the regular courts. But we will be submitting an executive report for a summary and all the evidence presented in the filing of these cases for your perusal, Mr. Chair.
You can divulge what is allowed by law. Yun lang, hanggang doon ka lang.
Yes, Mr. Chair. For the first part of the presentation, Senior Agent Alvin Bernardo will be presenting the cases handled by the Special Task Force.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon, co-attendees. Our first case is the case of Deng Yuan King, a Chinese national, together with a Ronel Jojo Balundo Besa and Jason Orcales Fernandez. They were arrested in San Antonio, Makati on January 17 of 2025. The case involves a motor vehicle, a Toyota RAV4 that is equipped with a LiDAR. It's a light detection and ranging sensor together with a GNSS RTK device. GNSS RTK stands for Global Navigational Satellite System. RTK stands for Real-Time Kinematics.
Anong pagkakaiba nun sa IMSI kanina? Saan ginagamit yon?
Mr. Chair, these devices is the IMSI catcher, as discussed a while ago, involves on capturing or mimicking cell towers and signals. These devices that we have recovered, it involves is capable of topographic mapping. to the accuracy of centimeter level.
So ito ipagmamapa.
Yes, Mr.
Pero
Chair.
sa Makati nahuli ninyo, San
Yes, Mr.
Antonio.
Chair.
Do you have a picture of this?
Meron po tayo. Meron po dyan,
Meron,
Mr. Chair.
sige. Go ahead.
Yun nga po, with the information, with the intelligence information provided by our counterparts from the AFP, verification was conducted, and we have learned that this vehicle has been roaming around uh, in the Luzon area since December of 2024.
So naka-install siya sa RAV4.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Hindi siya nababaklas, nailipat na ibang sasakyan. Kailangan na lang doon sa coaching 'yon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, yung RAV4 lang talaga ang dapat gamitin? Ganun ba 'yon?
For this purpose, they choose this particular vehicle, Mr. Chair. So, naka-install na po siya doon, naka-fix na po siya doon, and they are using this vehicle to go around critical infrastructures.
And what could it do? What details can it gather inside the RAV4? Halimbawa, nandito lang sa Metro Manila, ano ang kanyang pwedeng magawa?
Lahat po ng madadaanan nitong vehicle na to, Mr. Chair, they can conduct topographic mapping. And yung ano po natin kasi dito, sir, is ang pinupuntahan nila kasi yung mga critical infrastructures natin, like military camps, ports, seaports, communications tower, power grids.
So, halimbawa, Camp Crame, pumarada sa loob, ano ang makukuha niya?
Kaya niya pong mag-conduct ng mapping ng buong area, sir. Lahat ng
So,
daanan niya.
it would mean that it is connected to a satellite equipment or standalone lang siya?
It is connected, Mr. Chair.
Then yung mga datos na nakukuha niya, saan pinapadala?
According to our investigation, yung mga data and information na nakukuha niya was accessed by a IP address that is located in China.
Nakakonekta sa isang IP address
Yes, sir.
sa China. Specific place in China? Military camp or a...
Hindi naman po, Mr. Chair.
So perhaps there is a foreign intelligence agency based in China gathering all of this. Direkta na doon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, please proceed.
Ayun. This case is now ongoing with the trial is now ongoing with the Regional Trial Court of Makati, Mr. Chair. Another case after this, Mr. Chair. Yung and on January 24 naman po, Mr. Chair. Sige.
Can we revert to that previous photo? Yung nauna? Yung sinundan po, yung kanina. Yung nauna mong presentation. Yes, can you have a screenshot of this, Committee Secretary? Have that marked as Exhibit B1 for the National Bureau of Investigation. Go ahead.
For the next case, ito naman po yung mga na-recover natin na seize item. It is a case of...
Balik po doon. Pakibalik doon sa larawan. Yan. Huwag niyo muna alisin, no?
Ito naman po, Mr. Chair. This involves 5.
Video clip na yun. Kasi yan yung sa slider.
Ito, sir. Committee Chair, mark that as a B2 for the National Bureau of Investigation.
On the left side portion of the screen, Mr. Chair, ito po yung mga na-recover natin na equipments. This is a This is a high definition